Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to insert shapes into a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so if you want to insert shapes like this to a spreadsheet, whether they are squares, rectangles, or this kind of shapes, here's how you can do that. So all you have to do is go to the sheet where you want to insert the shapes into. Then under the name of the sheet you're gonna see the menu bar, click on insert, and you have to select drawing from the drop down, and then here's where we're gonna be able to draw or insert shapes to our spreadsheet. And if you want to insert a shape, you have to select shape here, and then as you can see we have shapes, arrows, callouts, equation signs. So whichever you need, you can just insert the shape. You can change the colors of the shape, the border weight, the border dash, and as you can see we have many kind of shapes, so you can also add arrows and change the colors. You can not only insert shapes but lines as well, so lines, arrows, curves, and a lot of other stuff. So once you have created your shapes, all you have to do is click on save and close here, and the shapes are inserted into our Google Sheets spreadsheet. What you can also do is click on the three dots on the shape and assign a script to that shape, or you can also change the alt text or delete or edit the shape we have inserted. So now this is how to insert shapes to a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.